Sikhuleke nina wey'nkanzethongo ubhodloza amafikosana. Hayi, ngithi angithinteke namuhla iyayi utshale bafana ngey'nto ey'ncane. Umuntu obuze a very beautiful question. Mina I love questions mayesile. Hhayi uma uzongibhedela as if I owe you something. I don't owe you nothing. Guy is like, all right, all these healers are telling me all the time, people must have a problem. Is it even possible that you may not have a problem? Is it even possible that your parents may not have done something, whatever? Is it even possible that you just okay? I like that question. I really love that question because it is possible. It is extremely possible. There are some people, guys, that would probably, let me give you an example, they would seek perhaps maybe a consultation, right? When they seek a consultation and they literally don't have to do much, right? And it's the matter of the guidance. It's okay, guidance is this, guidance is that. Unfortunately, guys, nothing comes for favors for a person to be even able to see or foresee these things for you. They are the people that they report to, right? People make this mistake and think that people owe them answers or favors. Nobody owes you nothing. Nothing. Because basically what you are doing, you are asking that person's family for help. You're asking them for help. But whether you don't want to compensate them for that. What rubbish is that? Flip the coin, where you are the one that went through Tuhasa, for example. You are the one that went through the pain and the tribulations of foreseeing and actually understanding who you really are. Then, for example, I just come, total stranger. Like, yeah, but so how do I get to your level? So tell me, what did you do? Careful, guys. Careful. That's the reason why many folks end up swearing at you when tetisa, all these funny things. It's because it's seen as it is disrespect to those people's families, guys. Just be careful. I know sometimes you talk, but there are chances, and chances are dealt with. Go see. Yeah,